Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Right, let's go. Today, I will be unmounting this HP box that I found so I can use it in my upcoming project. Now, I am not trying to repair this PC in any way. I only need the case for my upcoming project, but I still tried and see what I could recover from this PC, like the power supply, for example. Okay, so I did not attempt to put on the PC before I removed the graphics card. It seemed compromised. So I removed the graphics card and then I gave the PC a try run. Another thing, I also tested the power supply with a power supply tester before I tried the power supply. Here I am inspecting the graphics card, because above the graphics card looked appealing, but below, as you can see, the components are practically falling off. Now that I have affirmed that the graphics card is no good for now, I decided to give the PC a little run and see if I'd get any signal out of the VGA, and I found nothing. So that was it. I dismantled the PC, recovered the box, and this is all for this part. Till next time, bye.